So you're curious about Deadish Studios clothing? I get it. It's a brand that's been popping up on social media and I've seen some mixed reviews. Today I want to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just another trend. Deadish Studios clothing offers a range of apparel that seems to blend streetwear with a bit of an edgy vibe. Right off the bat, the designs are unique, featuring bold graphics and a somewhat irreverent style that appeals to a younger audience. However, navigating their website felt a bit clunky, which might frustrate some users looking for a smooth shopping experience. The site showcases various clothing pieces from tees to hoodies, but I noticed the lack of detailed descriptions for each item. It leaves you wondering about the material quality and sizing specifics, which are crucial when making an online purchase. One thing that stands out is their commitment to a particular aesthetic, but I can't help but feel there's a bit of a gap in transparency regarding their production practices. Overall, while the vibe is there, the user experience could definitely use some refinement. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the designs are fresh and certainly eye-catching, catering to a niche that loves bold fashion. However, the website experience could be better. It feels a bit outdated and lacks essential details about the products. Another concern is the pricing. For some pieces it seems a bit steep, especially without clear information on fabric quality or ethical sourcing. This might turn off budget-conscious shoppers or those who value transparency in their purchases. Who might enjoy this brand? If you're into unique streetwear and don't mind a bit of guesswork when it comes to quality, you might find something you love. But if you prefer a straightforward shopping experience with clear info, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Deadish Studios clothing has a cool aesthetic that could resonate with the right crowd, but it feels like it's missing some key elements. If you're drawn to unique fashion and can overlook some website quirks, it might be worth a shot. Otherwise, consider checking out brands that offer more transparency.